Viewers of this channel should know Bon Scott Turnbaugh by now. This is the third incident we've covered. When police were called to the scene of an incident outside of a nightclub, Mr. Turnbaugh was there, being his typical self.
Hey, are you involved with this at all? How are you involved?
No, I had no idea, bro. I was walking by, she was sitting here, she asked me my phone. That's it.
Okay, where your phone at?
It's in her hand right there.
I don't know.
Why don't you get your phone back?
I ever do, but when we got here,
You ain't got no, you ain't supposed to listen to her shit.
no, I know he can
sorry?
look through my stuff.
So you're not supposed
No,
to
stop.
Right.
He can look through my
Don't
phone.
make things more
You
complicated.
can,
Look
yeah,
at your phone,
you can
all right?
look through my phone
Complicated,
because
but
I don't
one
have nothing.
Are you
about-
involved with this?
Yes, it's
No,
my phone.
stop,
That's in her
because
hand.
I only
Okay.
have my scarf that I tie my head up
Okay,
to go to bed.
I'll get the. It's not her
Everything
phone.
else is empty, bro.
Here,
He can look through my phone. I don't
Give
care.
him that phone
I
back.
just
I don't know what's going on here. I just happen to be walking by.
I just want to go home.
You can go.
No, tell him to
I have a phone. That's not your phone, okay?
I don't remember.
Okay, all right. Let's go. She doesn't know the phone number. Just go. You're not
Hey, man,
involved. All
check
right?
it out. I've been here for like 15 minutes before your ass came up here. All I'm trying to do, you heard what I said.
Protect. He's not doing.
All I'm trying to
Shut your mouth.
You telling me I can go? I don't know what.
Doesn't matter.
No, I you ain't either.
Stop, sir. He is gonna help me.
So what are you?
What's the number?
You're not involved.
You see this?
I'm trying to help you.
You stopped in the middle of the road. Well, she had my phone, so I'm not involved in this. It's something different. So just fuck off and care about yourself. No, how about you not touch me? How about you not touch me? How about you not touch me?
You interfering with a police
I ain't
investigation.
interfering with shit.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
standing right here on a public street, and you're over here touching me. Get your fucking
Over here.
hands
go to
up.
jail?
Well, you can go do whatever you want to do. What am I going to go to jail for?
Obstructing.
Obstructing justice. You ain't telling me shit. This is a This is a public
You're
street.
interfering with my
I ain't interfering with nothing. The lady had my phone. I ain't interfering with shit. Fuck you.
You are taking time away from us.
Fuck you.
You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest for what?
Obstructing a police officer. I told you to leave.
I told you to leave.
Put your back.
We told you to leave.
You told me to leave. I'm on a public street.
To our
What are
investigation.
you talking about? That public investigation was all the way down here.
Fair.
All the way down here. I ain't done nothing
Now
wrong.
you're under arrest.
Nothing wrong at all. I have done nothing.
You're interfering.
I've done nothing. I'm standing here on a public street on the corner waiting for my phone back. That's it.
We actually.
I don't even know that
We
lady.
asked you to walk away multiple
No,
times.
you asked me nothing. This is a public street. I don't know anything about none of these people. All I'm doing is walking. That's it.
Yeah, he started cursing and booing.
Yeah, okay. Well, then he kept punching me too. You remember that? You remember to put your fucking hands on me?
I did.
You remember that?
I did.
You remember that,
I did.
right?
Yeah.
You remember that, right?
That's
You keep
where we're
pulling. Keep pulling. What you gonna do? Nothing.
what is your
Nothing.
problem?
You put me in handcuffs for no reason. I didn't do shit. I did nothing. Yeah, I've done nothing at all.
You have.
Destructing a police officer, right? That's why your body camera footage shows you pushing on me, right?
That's right.
I ain't done shit, but
You were
look for my
interfering.
phone back.
Well,
I asked for my phone back. That's
it's
it.
unfortunate,
Yeah, that's
Mr.
okay. Turnbaugh, yeah, that's
Bon
me.
Scott Turnbaugh.
Yeah, that's me. That's Don. You can't spell it either because it's a B there. That's my friend's phone.
Yeah.
That's my friend's shit. I'm all the way from Ridgewood. That's it.
Okay.
All I'm trying to do is
Well,
get my
tonight
phone
you
and go on my
get
business.
you get to go to jail.
I get to go to jail. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
You're intoxicated. I can smell it from you.
What are you talking
You're
about?
interfering with my
You
investigation.
pushing
I'm
on
trying to help
me.
the lady.
I'm over here
There's
standing
nothing more
on the
to
corner.
explain, man.
Same spot I've
We'll
been
talk
on.
about it at the station.
No, we ain't talking about shit. I ain't done nothing to you. Nothing at all. I'm in here in handcuffs. I did nothing wrong.
Need to,
Nothing
Oh, yeah,
wrong.
14.
I've done nothing wrong.
yeah, 14.
Nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
He had cussing
Do
for
what you want to
obstructing.
do. I don't even know them people. I've done nothing wrong. You pushed up on me. You pushed me. I didn't touch you. You pushed me. So how am I struck anything? Yeah, how am I struck to anything? How am I struck to anything? You pushed on me. You touched me. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. What car's yours? Which one? Which one?
I'm a supervisor.
Well, you might be the supervisor, but you still pushed on me. I didn't do shit to you. I never put my hands on you.
We asked you to walk away and give us space.
Bro, they
while we
had
was
my
doing our-
phone.
While we was doing our
I don't know anything about nothing.
All right, you can go.
Okay, cool. I don't even know shit about it. Bye.
Take it over there.
You can do whatever it is you want to do, dude. There you go. Cool. Bye. Deuces.
Go to the station.
I don't give a fuck.
Bon Scott Turnbaugh was arrested and charged with obstructing a police officer under Illinois law. He was booked, issued a notice to appear, and his case is still pending.